All right there, Latin 3. It is time for the independent subjunctives. Now, your book will only cover the hortatory and jussive, but I'm going to give you all of them, okay? So, the first thing you need to know is, you know how you have a cum clause and you have a ut or ne clause, and it's usually a thing plus that plus the subjunctive, or sometimes it's just cum plus the subjunctive. Independent subjunctives have no markers at all. That's why they're called independent. And there are, I numbered them because this is how it should be on your list. Yeah, I know it goes to 18, so it's 13 through 18. I numbered them accordingly, so put them in that order. Okay. There is the hortatory, the jussive, the optative, the deliberative, the dubitative, and the potential. So that's the independent subjunctives. Again, your book only covers these two, but I say let's do them all. Here we go. The hortatory subjunctive is always going to occur in the first person. The jussive subjunctive is always going to occur in the second and third person. They are both what I call gentle orders. So now you have multiple ways to do an order. You could do the direct order using the imperative. You could do an indirect order. Someone told you to do this. Or you could do, hey, why don't you do this? There's also the optative. The optative is usually seen with the word utinam, but not always. It's what I call the passive-aggressive order. Okay, it expresses a wish, it invokes the gods or someone else's action. So, for instance, if only somebody would do the dishes. That's an order. You'd better do them, but that's being passive-aggressive about it. It's like wishing out loud that someone should. The deliberative is pretty simple. You're choosing between two things. It is a binary choice. It is a dilemma. And the dubitative expresses uncertainty or doubt. So deliberative would be, I don't know whether to hang up or to throw the phone. The dubitative is that rain that I hear? You're expressing a doubt. And then the very last one is potential, and it expresses possibility. Sometimes you'll see it with fortisan, but not always. And potential is the very, very bottom one, because if it doesn't fit any of these other ones, it's potential. If it doesn't fit any of the other 17 subjunctives, it's going to be potential. It's rare, but it shows up. It's kind of like how the ablative seems to be the catch-all for other cases. This is the catch-all for subjunctives. Okay, so it expresses possibility. You'd think it would make more sense. And that's the example. So that's the quick run-through. That's the intro to independent subjunctives. In the next several videos, I'm going to give you a bit of a primer on each one. Remember, your book only covers the hortatory and the jussive. It for some reason decided to do you a disservice and not cover the others. And I'm looking for the book now so I could show it to you, but I will bring that up when we talk about the hortatory and the jussive. Okay, I'm going to hit the button.